What is going on, everyone? It is Mr. 64, and today I am going to show you how to make a simple animation, but this time we're going to be doing the recording phase. Now, to record voiceovers for your series, you will need any recording software such as Adobe Audition or Audacity, and also you'll need a good microphone as well to record your voiceovers. But we're going to talk to you about the pros and cons of Adobe Audition and Audacity. The pros of Audacity is that it's a free software, which means you do not need to pay money for it. However, you don't get much tools on that application. And as for Adobe Audition, you can get more tools, more effects, do multi-track sessions, but there's one big disadvantage. You have to pay money to use Adobe Audition. First, you go to New in Adobe Audition, then you click Audio File. The sample rate of your audio file must be above 40,000 Hz. I'd highly recommend using 48,000, but sometimes you can use 44,100. You'll also need to use your episode script, if you've written it, to help you record the voiceovers. Now that you've prepared your audio file, you'll be taken to this screen. You'll see the stop button, the play button, and the pause button, but the main important one you need to use is the record button. So you can either click that or shift and space using your keyboard. Now to record. And after you recorded your line, you have to cut out some of the stops from whenever you record a line. Another thing, you do not want your audio file to be very quiet, so what you need to do is turn up the decibels. I'd say turn it up to 10 if you want to hear it more clearer. Now, sometimes for every character, you may want to change your tone, voice, accents, or even the pitch. Now, to change the pitch, you go to Effects, Time and Pitch, and Pitch Shifter. And now, you get to see the final results.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Yoshi!
And if you think your audio file is perfect, you now go to File, Export, and then you save your line into your hard drive. For good audio quality, save your audio file as WAV. Sometimes I prefer using MP3 because it's lossy compression. And that's pretty much what you need to do to record a voiceover. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next part, which is animating an episode.